Hi guys, here I got two batteries from LIDL Parkside, the standard 20 volt battery. The problem is one doesn't want to charge, and it's actually a pretty new battery. Here is the good one, here is the one that does not want to charge. So let's start measuring. This is the first cell, 4 volts, 8 volts, 12, 16, 20.4. So it's all working fine. I mean, the batteries are good. Here is the good one that does charge. Exactly the same volt, even a little worse. 8, 12.2, 16.3, 20.4. You see this one? 20.4 as well. But this one does not want to charge. Do you know what I found out? For some reason, this little metal, do you notice this metal has a little marking, and it's actually split in two. This one is full. Do you see this? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to somehow join this together. It seems to be like a fuse of some sort, but actually very hard metal fuse, or maybe, yeah, it's weird how this got separated, because it's actually a piece of metal. Anyway, I'm going to somehow join this, and then it will be able to charge. Hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching.